Hello friends, welcome back to Excel learning series. Today in this lesson we are going to learn about the different functions of text based functions. Nahandagi koi sum number based function atani tawri sing do tunga sidi koi text based function tawsi. Text based function to nabi damak we have this data and data is not regular. See this Rahul Shah space ma'am yaure capital su oitre the marak the capital letters yaure pile mehta the su m ga e ga proper oitre ko mix warga mungi sumaina koina text phang targadi we can clean this text using simple uh, what to say simple text functions available in the MS Excel. So let's see first case upper case da loina koina convert to ge hargadi e Rahul Shah se upper case da loina ihen bako do ge hargadi we have this function upper and then we have only one argument to be passed argument amakhaktani pass to desi karino sig text se bracket close hit enter it will convert Rahul Shah all in capital. So you just copy this the entire cell, it will convert all to capital letter. And next we have lowercase, so it is also simple lower and this will convert all text to lower. This one A2 okay bracket close lower, so this will convert all text to lower form. Capital H yorum basu lower zakrani adagi macha yorum badi adum ke lower le rambasi adum lower le ragani adu capital le rambasa sisu lower character da adum on boko. So let's copy this one again. So it has converted all text to lower character. Then now we have proper function na kaino sentence ki proper hai tare ko gi ahanbagi letter se sine capital hoba each letter word capital hogedoba Rahul da R capital hoigani S capital hoigani Payal Mehta da P capital hoigani M capital hoigani and the rest will be lowercase. So the formula is proper. Okay, then select this one Rahul Shah. So R is capital, AHUL small, S is capital, HAH is small. Here I go. So then copy this and it will convert everything. Now we have another one trims in even another kari space is the extra space yauri Rahul Aero mamang the space yam yauri ko say mamang the space kari yauri degi HR si matung the space yauri degi Rahul ga Shahi maratasu space yauri si amam the lothok leraga di khoi matam yam sangani trim function sinaraga hariba se lothok pi. So the function is trim. Select the text, bracket close, hit enter, Rahul Shah. Okay, so the previous space is also removed. Adagi Shagi matungda live spaces is removed over. Aduga Rahul and Shagi marakta leribe extra space aidare. Ming ani marakta leribe extra space. Space amadil legeni godum. Aduna taba single space na taba marakta leribe space to adusu intelligently manatum log ho. So let's copy this one like this. So extra space la ibisi gulo lo thokre duga magi capital da dagi small da on the sigudi as it is original la ibisi ga chamana liko. So trim function only removes the extra space before the text, after the text, and in between text space ama thamaga ahead the space lo thokan. For example Rahul Shadi yengsi ahan bagi hida mamangi lebe space di lo thokre maningi lebe space lo thokre Rahul amasung Shah gi marakta leiriba space amakhak leigadaw se extra space ya or se silo khokra space amadi thambira me dako. So trim will trim every space before, after, and in middle except one space. All right, now let's do the proper and trim. So proper and trim should be first proper, then text e row ibas dako. Proper with the function ni adu amaka sigi proper si man atopa function ama muka sinarne trim. Then text, select text to biro bracket close bracket ani yaubani open bracket ani yawe close bracket ani hapatare. So sina kari no tawrisa ahan ba magi function se trim hana tawrani ba lairiba igi sidi iriba syntax ki matung inna Rahul Shah gi se hana trim tawthoni extra mamang da leiba space matung da leiba space animak trim tawthrani ko trim tawro matung da laiba sigi posini sigi laiba sigi function hida le trim da leiriba sigi saruksa si all ane ba trim wala ba matung da muka proper case se mag apply tawbune si proper se muk tawbune ba si le si proper se muk tawbune ba adu aragadi extra space lo thokhrani adagi sentence amagi characters dusu word dusu proper form da laane ba. Now let's see it. Press here. So Rahul Shah se de ire space yaudre adagi word ki form so proper hoire R capital hoire S capital hoire atai isna lower form da lere. Let's just copy it. Okay, now all the text has been converted to proper as well as a trim. Trim so hoire proper so hoire. So ahan be koi the pirakpa data do sigi data seni. Now the final product is this. So how clean it is. See, everything is in proper form. R capital is R capital ka sida A H capital obviously log thokre S the capital on thore space ahen ba leram ba log thokre mamang da maning da mayai da leram ba ahen ba sing log thokre se Tanvi Verma Tanvi Sharma so many all so proper and trim will make you give you the final koi gi pa mi ba magi output to final do proper plus trim center ka phangma mane ko. Next we have concatenate and text split and text join. For this let's see here I have taken all this data here ko sidha hojik mi maming Rahul Shah aina lere Payal Mehta lere aina pame first name na ahan ba kalam da second name na ani suba kalam da pame ba tongan tongan do sidha koina manually taw taragati kai dawni copy Rahul cut sida paste sumai tawni se Rahul sina muka copy paste sumai tawra amam sat lerane ba that is very time consuming and laborious work. So smart work to what I could go smart work to no with the text split function say sinagane ba it will split the text into two columns. See wait Rahul Shah okay now Rahul Shah is there. Let's use the text split function text karamba text no sigi text ni ka the column delimiter column ani koina khaidok ko dorisi kari pot no se khaidok ko dorisi Rahul Shah sida koina column atopa column da lange last name da lange si Shah sine ko amasung Rahul amasung Shah si kari de khene ge ko kari no ma differentiate torisa space am yauri ba marak ta ko hairi be yauri ba space asina koi delimiter o hendoi ba space hek theng narak paga space ki matung da lei base next column da pu ko haidoi ne ba computer da ko excel de koina haidoi si Rahul thambiram mo aduga Rahul ki matung da lakpa space se hek space pu la ba theng naraba space ki matung da leiba word to next column da thambiu haibane ba so column delimiter da koina haidoi se space lai haidoi ne space space se koina se pi se double quotation ni ko quotation space quotation space na delimiter ho magi next column da pu ai ne then row delimiter is not required. Row delimiter darkar leite koi row mathang mathang pura ka do bunate ba single column khakta ne ba koina different ka do aduna row delimiter se ignore the row this is optional so we'll close the bracket and enter. Rahul is there, Shah is there. Okay, so let's copy this formula in all the cells. Now it has first name is there, second name is there. Payal Mehta, Rita Shah, Neha Misra, Neha here, Misra here. So text split can split the two texts to different columns. If there is a three text, then we can move to three different columns. We can separate to three different columns. So text split is a very smart text function. Keep practicing. Now split to by koi sida tammego amuk join to kaigumba ingoda piriba example ingoda piriba tax to the first name last name so many yawarga lerame ado ingoda mo haire first name last name to tonga tonga ni henganu kalam amada pulapna sidi iriba so many hello ai hairagadi amuk join to bom su darkar leba adu join to udo hana ge to mena si copy amuk tawrani sidam paste option gani ko adu di matam amuk changane ba adu text join gi function gi matungina adu amuk to we haiba text join to bose koi function ani de like concatenate have so join to bani and text join su join to bani do khena ba do je koi yeng si ko example sida sinaraga equal to text join to bana kari no khena ndu je delimiter mi ohon bi ai in a specify to we ba delimiter har ga di comma gumba space gumba hyphen gumba ama in happy ai extra hoina aduga amka range da in select to we ba range hoina text range am text one select to we ba whereas concatenate range select to we this separate text select to do so how do we do? Let's see here. Delimiter ai kari pame space am pame ko the misters ki matang da mrs ki matang da space ama kanan haraga space ama pame ba duna ina ha mada I de space pame hai doine so double quotation space double quotation ignore empty cell hai sina koi gi aina select to deliver range si da kai gumba cell ama column ama kem yaudana ahang ba space on lai targa di adu empty cell lai targa di adu ignore to ramaga ahan baga aroi baga leiba mrs ka somaya ga kanan si orom jaga di pullaga sakhine ba concatenate na adu mu yate so that is the beauty of text join so we will see ignore text empty cell then instead of selecting text 1 text 2 text 3 we will just select range pull up range me question ane ko Mrs. Kanan Somaya like then we will copy it Mrs. Kapoor Mr. Kanan Kapoor so han basida koi space later empty cell hoira the empty cell lai ma space ama lagte bis tina mehta in lag re Dr. Krishna Shah so men lag re so that is how we can join the text and in let's see in concatenate ida space help di mana ko space p de ba koina tongan na space am p bam darkar le bis dana ko ida misters khalani sumena text 1 dagi space am p bam darkar le semen tongan siam khalani sumena mukhalani siam khalani so om thona khalle ko space marmakta space le hello ai base koi text join the han ba ma khar specify to hariya hai sida di every word khuding matung the space amam pa me se koina mu hapam da ka lai sumen so Mr. Kanan so same way but formula is different formula sida one time khaktani idu je sidana mathang mathang ni idu je adu ga amuka so sidana amuka individual cells se koina select to doine c amuk sumain to ga select to ne whereas text join dana range in pull up khan bi hai let's see so tina mehta di yemo ahabagi cell se empty hoy but space am da habis se amuk ignore to bi ade ba concatenate na so you can use the text join concatenate se nabi aba jaga so concatenate se now the text join is more smarter so you can work very smartly and give the output very beautifully okay that's it for this lecture aduga mathangi chapter da amuk ekoi unarase so please do join in the next chapter thank you